Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back because I wanted to share with you guys a collective AliExpress haul that I've been getting that has been kind of trickling in for a few weeks now. It's not going to be in any kind of order because it's all just kind of stacked up over here on the side of my desk, but I want to go ahead and put these things away. So the first thing that I'll share with you guys are sequin mixes. These are so pretty, and this particular mix is a heart, and so it's a solid heart, a hollowed heart, some stars, and I think some smaller hearts as well. So there's like different sizes of hearts and hollow hearts and stars. Really, really pretty. And this is a mix of blue, pink, and yellow, I believe. Some of my favorite colors. Really, really pretty. So I picked up that one. I also picked up this one. This one has flowers, hearts, solid as well as hollow, and some circles, but it's an iridescent white clear kind of sequin mix. Really, really cute. And this one has teeny tiny stars. I mean, really teeny tiny stars, if you can see that. But this is in kind of a green color. I don't know if I would call it mint green, but it's very, very pretty. Very pretty color. So I got those. Let's see. I picked up this die set, and it has it's actually a frame. So when you run, like say if you run this big one through your die cutting machine, it's going to actually cut out two different parts, an outer frame and an inner frame, and then you just use them as frames, same as the smaller one. It cuts out an outer and inner frame. These right here are labels, and this one you can actually feed some twine or some ribbon through and put it on your card or project. And then this one is like a little banner. Really cute. So I'll share with you guys what I did with that. So this is what I created. It's a little shaker, of course. Really, really pretty. I used a lot of my pretty sequin inside of there, and that is the frame right around there. I love the way this little shaker came out. This is also a die from AliExpress, this right here, and I'll share with you guys what that looks like. So it is this die right here, and pardon the fact that I have all these pieces in here, but it's so fun to cut this die out. You can cut it out of a bunch of different colors and just mix and match all of the colors together. Here's another one that's already cut out and ready to go on a project. But as you can see, all I did was just cut it out a bunch of different times and just mix and matched all the little colors and stuff. But this is what the die looks like. Really, really cute. Love this die. Reminds me of Maggie Holmes stuff, the Carousel collection. So I picked that up and just put this back down inside of here so it won't get lost. I have other ones in there as well that I've already created. So I love this die. I'll leave this one out. I don't want to bend it up, but I'll leave the die out for now. So that is that die. Then I also picked up this box die. Now this die comes with just one piece for the actual box, and then it comes with this kind of top note die, as well as a circle die, and you can use this to cut out inserts into your box. Like you can cut a little window in the top of your box if you want. It does have a scallop edge to it, and so what you would do is you would cut two of these and you would fit your box together. One tip that I can give you on doing that, because I know some people were saying that their box was too tight or their lid was too tight and it wouldn't come off. Make the bottom part of the box first, glue it all together, cut out the second part, lay it on top of the box bottom, and then glue your sides together while this piece is on top of your box, which then it's going to actually give it the room that you need in order to put your, fit your top onto your box. I hope that makes sense. But let me show you guys real quick the little box that I cut out. This is the little box. I love the way it came out. This is a bow die. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But these little pieces right here, I did a print and cut on my Silhouette Cameo and cut those out. Those are the Maggie Holmes flowers. And then these are some leaf dies that I just kind of added to the side of it. I did use a window, so I have some acetate in there. As you can see, it does have some little stitch lines around where the little top note die cut out. And then around the sides there is scallops, and then there's also stitching on the box. And if I open the box up, what I did was I just put this little cupcake liner in the inside of it, and that just kind of would help if you wanted to put candy down inside of there. That way your candy won't be shifting all around. It'll kind of stay put right there inside of your box. So like I said, the top and the bottom is the same piece, and all you would do is you would cut the bottom first. You would lay your top on top of your bottom piece, and then you would just glue your tabs so that all the tabs are glued down. But when you do that, you're going to give extra space. See how this tab right here, because you know what we would want to do is actually make sure that everything butts up to one another when we glue it. But if you can see that this tab does not butt all the way up to the corner, and that's because you need that little extra space in order to take your lid on and off. So by putting it on top of your box, you kind of ensure that you have enough space to take your lid on and off. Same here. It's kind of hanging off just a little bit, and it doesn't take away from the box at all, but it gives you that extra. I mean, it's not even 1/8 of an inch. It's like a real tiny slither of it, like a fraction of an inch, but you need that space in order to lift your box top on and off. That bow that I cut out is from this die set right here. It actually comes with a straight bow, you know, the bow piece right here. It also comes with the tails that hang down. It comes with an extra bow piece if you wanted to make this a layered bow, and then it has the back little tail pieces as well as the little wraparound piece. So that is that little bow right there. It's really, really cute. I love that bow. Then I also picked up this die set. Now this one, I saw this one online, and when they shared this one, they showed it as if there was a what do you call it, a border around. So they showed it as if there was another cutting line next to this cutting line, whereas if you cut it out, you'll get the outline of these hearts. And I messaged the seller and I said, you know, looking at that die, I can tell that what you have pictured is not the die that you're selling. And I was like, you know, I want the die to do the outline, and the die that you're showing is not the same as the one that you pictured with an outline on it. They assured me, no, it does cut the way that the picture show, whatever. It was very inexpensive, so I went on and picked it up. But as you can see, I was absolutely right. It does not cut the outline. It does cut the inner part of the heart, but it's still really, really cute. So I cut it out of vellum, out of pink paper, as well as out of blue paper, and I just think it's really, really cute. I think it'll go really cute on an A2 size card or any kind of project. So I just went on and cut those out. But it's a really cute die. I like it a lot, but it's just not what what the picture showed. But I didn't mind because I already knew that that's what was going to happen. I was just trying to let the seller know so that they won't keep selling it that way and people won't ask for a refund because it's not cutting the way that they thought it was going to cut, you know. So the next one that I'll show you guys is this little tiny die. I picked this one up to possibly use in my grandbaby's little albums, and it's just a little bunny, super duper cute, and it has a little heart cut out the middle. I love this one, and you can also, you know, cut it out in different paper and just paper piece that little heart back inside of there. But it's super cute for like little baby projects as well as Easter projects and stuff. I also picked up this die, and this is a little rattle die, and I actually have two of these. and they're, you know, they're pretty much the same. It's just that one is a larger one, which is this one here, and then one is the smaller one right here. And so I just made this a little shaker so I can put it inside my grandbaby's next album. And that's the way it comes out. It also comes with little bitty pieces in order for you to cut some shaker bits to put inside of there, or you can just use sequin like I did here. I used some shaker bits and some I don't know if you can see that, but the little hearts are from the die, and then there's little shaker bits inside of there as well. So those two are pretty much the same thing. It's just that one is larger than the other. And then I have this little not bunny, but a teddy bear, and it's super tiny, but it's really cute. And again, I'm going to use this on one of my grandbaby's albums. So it's this little teeny tiny bear. Look how cute. It'll look really cute on a paper clip as well. So I like the way that that came out. And it's super tiny, but it's okay because, you know, some things I want to be kind of small. Looks like this is the last one. I wanted to share with you guys this little candy box. And this one, you know, doesn't have a hole or anything like that on there, which is great. But it is a little shorter and a little fatter than my other one that's similar to this. But I just cut it out of this really cute polka dot paper and just glued it together. So it'll make a really cute little party favor gift for, you know, whatever kind of party that you're working on. So that is about it. That is all of the projects that I have to share with you guys. I do have more dies, but I have to work on getting some little examples together for you guys. So I'll be doing that the next couple days so that I can come back and share with you guys more things that I picked up from AliExpress. As always, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.